Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Wow, what a day we've had today. Things bouncing back up. Did you buy Virgin Galactic dip? Did you get the dip today? Well, dip-de-doo-dah, it's gone back up again. It's not much, but you can see my portfolio has bounced right back up again. Very, very nice indeed. Let's get ready for a very interesting afternoon. I think you'll agree here this afternoon. So let's get ready to rock and roll. If it's your very first time here, please do click subscribe and ring the bell. We've got some updates on our competition today, our competition test. We've added 2 new benefits to our competition. There it is. There is the link. Go and have a little look. We've added another option we're testing out this afternoon. Want to see how you get on with this. If you scroll to the bottom of the competition page, it's our brand new software. We're testing it out before we release our big competition in a couple of days' time. We've added 2 more ways to enter. If you scroll down the page, right at the bottom, we've added 2 more. Daily for a bonus entry. So every time that you come back each day, you can get more points on doing things again. So there's a daily bonus entry. But I want you to test this out for me. Leave a comment on the video. I want to test that out now and see if that works. So here is the link for our competition test. We're doing a testing of our software before we release our big 100 times better than any other competition we've ever done. There's the link. I've added 2 bonus things. Click for a daily bonus entry and leave a comment on the video. All right, go and check that out. We want to test all the software before we release the big competition. All right. Okay, there it is. Excellent. Hopefully you'll go and do that for me right now, and so we can test it all out. All right, I'll keep my eye on it. So Virgin Galactic, I bought some more shares at 381. It's gone up a little bit. I've lowered my average from being down 7% down to 5% down. That's good, but I'm not going to sell anything until it goes above 405, so I can lower my average cost. Okay, and make some money from that. Okay, afternoon, Roger Fuchong, afternoon members, afternoon Roger, how are you? Roger Fuchong, great to have you here. Welcome. If anybody would like to become a member of our channel, here is the link to be a member. I'll give you the link right now. And you can access Discord. Our cash giveaways and our competitions are open to all free. You don't need to pay anything to be part of our competitions at all. All right. Okay. Queen of Self-Braiding is here. Queen of Self-Braiding, we're testing a brand new feature this afternoon. We're about to do our biggest ever giveaway, our highest ever cash prize. And also, that's interesting. Non-responsive. My Stream Deck is non-responsive. That's interesting. Okay, I just got a warning on the screen. I don't know if you could see that or not. Anyway, Queen, here is the competition test. I'd like you to test out all the features if you can. We're about to release our biggest ever cash and prize giveaway. So we're just testing the software. I just tested the Twitter retweet. It works. Yes. Thank you very much indeed. Try everything out, because once you've signed up for everything, next time will be easier. All right? Okay. Hi, Queen. Been busy all day, so missed you today, Martin. Dick Jones, how are you today, mate? All right. Check out our competition. So I'm gonna go and see now if anybody did the comment. See if anyone did it. Let me have a quick look. Let's see if it's come up. I'm really excited to see if it worked. 1 minute ago. I left a... hang on. I don't think... Right. 3 of you have just commented, but did you not read what it says? Did you not read what it says in the actions? I want to know the feedback on it, so I understand how you understood it. Did it make sense to you? Because I've had 3 comments and 3 of you didn't use the right comment. So I want to understand what went wrong there. Okay. I'm just opening it up now to make sure that you all did that right. My plan is to scalp space between now and it's going back to 556. The stock is a money generator. Yes, indeed. I'm taking some money out of it at 406, 407. Exciting week ahead. Indeed it is. Okay. I'm just checking that I have no idea what's going on. Dick Jones has got no idea what's going on. What do you want to know, Dick Jones? We're running a competition test because we're about to do our biggest ever giveaway. So we're doing a competition test of the software. There it is. Just take part. It explains everything on the screen if you click that link. Right. Leave a comment to the video. I'm going to check this entry point here. You get 5 points for this. Watch this video and leave the comment. Yeah, it tells you what to do. Why did nobody do it? Why did nobody do it? Let me go back and refresh that screen. Let's see if you've gone back and checked it. Let me have a look. See if anyone get it right. You got to read the information, guys. Just click it. Don't read it. Just click it. Oh, flippin' heck. Anyway. Hi, Jeffrey. All good here. Thanks. Hope you're well. Dick Jones, welcome. Just refreshing this page, see if anybody... My computer's getting slower. Oh, there we go. So, Eric B., you've now got it correct. So, Eric, tell me... Eric, tell me now why you didn't do it the first time. What wasn't clear? This is what we're doing. We're trying to iron out all the creases of the software. What wasn't clear that you didn't get? Why did you not do it the first time? So Eric, you got it right now. Andrew, Grady, and Mike both got it wrong. So I want to know. Anyway, 22 ways to enter. Whoosh, straight over my head. What? We're doing a competition. Here it is, Dick. It's just a competition we're doing. There you go. We're testing the software before we release the competition on Sunday. All right. There you go. My portfolio's rising. The S&P is coming up. It's a good day, isn't it? 385. I need it to go to 40 something. 406. It was clear. I just didn't read it. It was clear. I just didn't read it. Your crush made you get well soon. Your crush made you a get well soon video early, Martin. I posted. Oh, no. Get well soon video. Brilliant. Where is it? General chit chat. We're making this person famous. You do realize that, right? We're making this person famous. He is a member, so we'll do it. Let's have a little look. You post it in general chit chat. Let me have a look. Virgin Galactic's going up. Fight Channel, Barbie and Martyn Lucas. Martin, I entered by retweeting. Yeah, Jeffrey, every time you do a different action, you get more points. All right, you get more chances to enter. All right, we give you hundreds of ways to enter. All right, that's well, hundreds. There's 22. There's 22. All right, there's not hundreds. There's 22. Yeah, I clicked on it, and there's loads of things to click on. Yes, that's right. That's right. You can win a prize. That's the point. I am on my phone, so when I clicked your link in the chat, it took me away from the live. So I was in a hurry to get back and didn't read it. Okay, that's good. If it's because you don't read it, I can live with that. You can't fix that. If people don't read stuff, then I'll make it bigger. I'll make the text bigger. That's all I can do. All right. All I can do is make the text bigger and then hope for the best. All right. All right. We got Barbie on the show. We got Fight Channel apparently has made Martyn Lucas a get well video. So do we all want to see it? We all want to see it, right? Does everybody want to see it? I want to see it. Nobody else wants to see it. I want to see it. You ready? Here it comes. This is a video been made by somebody, Fight Channel, about Martyn Lucas get well.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Barbie here, ladies and gentlemen. My co-host's not here, ladies and gentlemen, because he had to go see the doctor. Got proof here on his YouTube site here, ladies and gentlemen, because he just went to the doctor. Hopefully he get well, ladies and gentlemen. Look, he's gone right now. I'm so sad that he's not here with us right now, but ladies and gentlemen, he should be back sometime today, hopefully. If he get better, ladies and gentlemen, that's right. Best wishes to Marcus Lucas, ladies and gentlemen, that's right. Marcus Lucas, come on back. Yeah, please, Marcus Lucas. We love you dearly. Barbie and the Martyn Lucas show will be going on, ladies and gentlemen. Hopefully, you don't get taken away because we lose our co-host, ladies and gentlemen. Get well, Marcus.
There you go. Get well. It's not everybody. It's not everybody that has a get well from Barbie. That's all I'm saying. Anyway, bought some MTDR today, says Stephen Lewandowski. It's just giving me JavaScript, Dix Jones. I've no idea what you're doing, Dick. It works perfectly well. I don't know what you're doing. JavaScript. I don't know. I've no idea what that's all about. Crag, what's going on? Madonna doll. That sounds like Bill. It's actually a guy called Fight Channel. Did that just happen? Yeah, just a few moments ago. Malk G, what's going on? She sure has a deep voice, probably from Kentucky. Used to be Ken. I like it. Where's the life-size blow-up version? We all know you have one. It's nothing to do with me. It's called Fight Channel. Don't get me involved. I'm just sharing the news. All I'm doing is sharing the news. All right, that's all I'm doing. All right, just keeping you in the loop of what's going on here. Right. Okay, Virgin Orbit just going sideways today. The portfolio is going up. Did you buy Space today? I bought shares of Space, lowered my average to 405. Have every intention of selling around 407 just to then take some profit from it, lower the average, and bring it down again. That's it. Okay, that's what we're doing. Because it could go all the way down to 3. There's no point thinking that's it, we're done. It could very well go a lot lower. Virgin Galactic 387. My overall position now. Let's have a quick look at it and see where we are. I wish I had some more money. It looks like I'm going to have to buy a new computer. It looks like my computer just is not coping with it. It's getting slower every day. I don't understand why it's getting slower and slower every day. It's getting harder and harder to produce the show. Anyway, 22. When you think the offices were last cleaned, when do you think it's... God. Hello. I said offices. That wasn't right, was it? Okay. Let's move on. Let's have a look at the portfolio here. My overall position. You'll see exactly what I've got here. Virgin Orbit going sideways, falling down again a little bit. Rivian slowly coming up. It's been a sell-off today and an opportunity to buy back. Hang on a minute. How did we get over there? That shouldn't be happening. We should be up over here. Let's go to the iPhone a minute. Okay. Can you look at BBAI partnering with the US Navy? Absolutely right. I shall look at it for you right now. Let me just share with you this position here. You can see the Roth IRA is coming back up. We're at 49.1. We're nearly an all-time high again. Buying those few shares of Virgin Galactic. I said we'd get a rally into the close, and that is exactly what's happening. Weren't you going to buy Vorb under 20? Daft, if you ask me. No. We were talking about it this morning because people were saying they're rehiring. They're not rehiring. We now found out they're have just not updated their website. So we thought it was odd. One day you're firing people, next day you're hiring. It was they haven't updated the website, and some people thought, hello a minute, what's going on here? But there you go. We had a request here to look at a chart, so we'll do that right now. BBAI. Let's do this for Andrew Grady. So we've just given you a couple more options to enter the competition. Let me share with you. Let's update it and see if it's moved. And then we'll look at BBAI for Andrew Grady. Here we go. BBAI. Big Bear AI. Okay, AI. We like a bit of AI. A bit scary stuff, but we'll look at it. And just before, as it's loading, I will bring in the... I will bring in the chart over here a second. Hang on and bear with me a second. Right, let's update it. So 73 people have taken part so far. Now, it was over 80 earlier. I deleted my entries. I don't know why it says your entries. Oh, that's because I just clicked on it, innit? I just clicked on it to show you how it works. That's right. I was thinking, where's my entry come from? Okay, here we go. This will that tells you how many times you've entered. So 73. Let's have a quick look. $87. Wow, it's gone right up. A lot of people getting involved now. Brilliant. Look at that. So we've added 2 new features to the bottom of the competition. Right at the bottom, there are bonus entries now. Once you've done 5 things, you can get daily bonus entries. Come back every day, there'll be new things. And you can leave a comment on the video as well. And the reason why that did that is because I entered it myself. Anyway, there you go. Okay, brilliant. So let's come back to this for Andrew Grady. He wants to look at this stock here. We like a bit of AI tune-in. Hey, amigo, space is coming. Virgin Galactic. I bought some more. Obviously, I won't buy into a pump. Absolutely crazy. Martyn, you have many plans on your channel to talk stocks. What? Nasty investor. Have you any plans on using dolls on your channel to talk stocks? The Branson doll. You know what? Funnily enough, I'm going to leave that to Fight Channel. Right, let's get on to this stock for Andrew Grady. If you're a member, I can review a stock for you. So let's have a little quick look. Big Bear AI. AI is not something I want to invest in right now. I would invest in an ETF on AI, but I wouldn't want to pick a company. It's too emerging. You don't know which one's going to be the winner. And remember, many will go bust, many will get bought out. For me, I'm just sticking to Google for my AI and Microsoft and so on. I wouldn't want to be buying a small company. Remember, they could explode and a big company like Microsoft or Google could buy them out. So that's where you can make money. But many of them will fail. It's which one do you get involved in. So I prefer to either buy Google, Microsoft. They will buy out the small companies, giving you exposure to AI directly, of course, or indirectly if they're buying out. Or use an AI ETF that encompasses a bunch of AI companies rather than picking one. So that's the first thing. Right, second thing is, let's look at the company. I like AI, we all know it's the future. Typical IPO here. Looks like it was a SPAC because it was around about the $10. You can always tell a SPAC it's $10. That's like the guaranteed sum and then it sells off. So it's done nothing but go down. It's had a little bit of a pump recently. Obviously, there's no history with a stock like this. It's very, very new. It's only been around for a year. At least when it IPO'd, it may have been around longer. If we look at when it was founded, it doesn't even say. So it is very new. It's an American company. Amanda Long, Columbia, Maryland. Very small. It loses money at the moment, obviously, minus 2.57. No dividend. You wouldn't expect a dividend. This is a growth stock. These are its earnings. Disappointed on Q1. Much better in, Q4 21. Much better in 22. Didn't get any better in Q2. Slight improvement Q3, then fell away in Q4. May 9th is its next earnings. We are going to be covering earnings season again soon. That's going to be coming out another week or so, and we'll get back into earnings for all the big caps again and some of the stocks that we cover. In fact, all the stocks that we cover. Obviously, it's a penny stock right now. Anything under $5 is a penny stock. There's nothing that attracts me to this. So it's a gamble. I'd need to know if I was buying this now. I like the idea, but I need to know the company. So straight away, I'm looking at the balance sheet. I want to go and see what the accounts are like. How much money they got on hand? They're losing money. Can they afford to lose money 2 or 3 years and then still survive? If they didn't have much money on hand, I wouldn't buy it. So, but for me, I would look, if I liked it, I'd like to find an ETF. ARK Invest probably do innovation like this. Find if Big Bear is in their portfolio of a certain one, and then maybe have it. At least then you've got exposure to other AI companies in that sector. For me, that's how I'd go. That's just an initial reaction to that. Thank you ever so much for that, Andrew Grady. Yes, Alex, very soon. We got Safin Ally, Dodge Fly, Doge. We got a crypto enthusiast here. I'm not in charge of our crypto. Ali Tizro is in charge of our crypto. He's probably in the chat. Ali Tizro, you here? We've got somebody here today wanting to talk about crypto. And we will share with you our crypto challenge in a minute. I'm actually on the $1,000 to $10,000 challenge with no risk, no stress attached, really. I say no risk. Wow. Ali Tizra, are you here? The crypto challenge is just pumped up. Is Ali Tizro here? No, he's not. Hopefully he'll be in shortly. But no, he's not here at the minute. Look at this. We are running a crypto challenge with Ali Tizra, our crypto enthusiast, our chart reader, technical guy. Twitter changed its PFP to Doge. Pay for, what's that? What's PFP? Pay for play? What is that? Anyway, let's look at this a minute. This is my challenge here that we're doing. I've only invested $1,000 and only 30%, 37% or 36% of it is invested. The rest of it is in USD. If I go and show you my assets, I'm earning 4% here. You can see it sitting here, 640%, earning 4%. So I'm only actually investing 36%, $360 of my 1,000, and I'm up 162, which is a phenomenal increase without any drama, stress, fear, or worry whatsoever. Ali takes care of all my crypto investments. We have a $1,000 to $10,000 challenge and a $7,000 to $100,000 challenge, which I'm about to switch up to because as my portfolio grows, my 5% allocation to crypto needs to increase to bring that up. And this is my real money, my real shares. I'm live up to 10 hours a day, sharing it all with you. But there you go. That's what we're doing there. So that's very interesting. Thank you, Ali. When Ali comes in, maybe Safin and Ali and Sam might like to talk to him about his crypto challenge. We will share that with you in a minute. Let's look at the heat map. This is 15 minutes behind, so please bear with me. We can see UNH is up today, 4.5. The big loss today is Tesla. No surprise. We've been saying over and over again, we're not fanboys. We're not fans of anything. We're fans of making money. We're just here to invest, not to buy into the FUD, the news, the drama, the tweets, the Reddits. None of that stuff. We're just investing in companies. We're not investing in stock prices or stocks at all. We're buying companies. And right now, as good as Tesla is, it's being over-influenced by influencers like Cathie Wood, who's more than an influencer. She's an investor, I understand that. But $1,500 a share, insane inflations, and lots of very impressionable, enthusiastic investors, more gamblers, are over-believing these prices. It's just ridiculous. Tesla is a great company. However, it doesn't justify its stock price. It never has done. It's always been overpriced. It's nearly 100 times earnings. It's absolutely bonkers. Well, 57 times earnings. I apologize. 57 times earnings right now. What else did I want to show you? I've shown you my my ledger where I'm keeping my Bitcoin. I only had $500 here. That's all you really need. If it goes to $1 million, that's gone to 1,052. That's good. Back to the main position here. And then we'll go back to the main site again. Here we go. Okay, I put a chart for Harley Davidson on Discord. Links for YouTube. I bought today. Would be interested in views. George Semaine. Okay, I'm going to have a look. George Semaine, you remember? Yes, you are. Okay, Twitter changed its to Doge. Oh, profile picture. Okay, profile picture. Twitter changed its profile picture to Doge. Really? Let me have a look at that. Where's that then? Let me go over to my Twitter account. Let me refresh that. Twitter changed its profile picture to Doge. Oh, I see. You mean Twitter's Twitter page. Is that what you mean? Twitter's Twitter page. Okay. I got you. I get you. All right. That's interesting. That would obviously suggest that Elon Musk wants to bring in Doge. We've always known that, haven't we? We've always known that. Anyway. Let me look at my overall position. Tesla, I'm going to buy it when it's 150, or add to my position rather. I've already got some, but I'll buy it when it goes to 150. My overall portfolio is looking good. Look at this now, looking good. Just about to turn green in a few minutes. I said it would turn green today. The S&P is now up 5.5%. That's the biggest part of my portfolio. 41% is the S&P 500. Very sensible, I think. Virgin Galactic, as soon as it goes above 406, I will trim off, lower my averages. Was 409, now 405. I'll take some profits off the table, loading up to 2,000 shares, but I'm doing it over time, very, very carefully, because it could go bankrupt, just like Virgin Orbit is on the edge of. Okay, Virgin Orbit going down again. Now, if you've just tuned in, we are doing a test. Wow, I was up 28% on Doge, just sold and took profits. Very nice indeed. How was the doctors? Thank you very much. Yeah, I've got, for the first time, elevated blood pressure. And it was detected when I was laying down and sit up. It would change my blood pressure, which means my blood isn't flowing as good as it should. I need to do more exercise. It's my commitment in this chair, probably, to you guys. It's affecting my health right now, but there we go. But thanks for asking. That's brilliant. Tesla earnings April 19th. Yep. We'll be there. Meta earnings April 25th. Amazon earnings April 26th. We'll be covering all of it. Google earnings space May 3rd. We'll be covering all the earnings live on our show. They are all very, very busy shows for us. Tesla, Lucid earnings season will be very, very important this time around. Well, they're always important, but back to water dancing. Brickmark. All right, back to our competition test. We're testing out our software. We want to get your comments, thoughts, feedback. We run a poll this morning. The overall majority liked it, which is amazing, because when people bring out an iPhone, they don't like it. It takes a while. People don't like change. So I was really chuffed that 67% of you liked it. And I think a couple of people that voted they didn't like it weren't even doing it anyway. So that I'm going to estimate another 10%. We could have had 76% say they like it. So that's what I think. So that's very, very good. Very encouraging. If you'd like to take part in our test right now, we just added two new features for our test. If you want to be in it, this is where our test page is for our test competition. The more things you do now, by the way, the more you learn how it works. We just added two more entries. A click for a daily. Every day you can come back. We can come back tomorrow. Come back tomorrow and do a daily entry and leave a comment on the video as well. So we've left two more entries. Let me refresh it. How many more have taken part? 87. Let's have a little look. Let's refresh the screen. See if it's gone up. It's now, give it 5 seconds. Drillian Damage is here. Welcome to Drillian. Lovely to have you here. We're now at 102. This is phenomenal. This is absolutely phenomenal. Absolutely phenomenal. Brilliant. It's really going up now. Brilliant. There are 22. So technically, you know, if there's 10 of you entering, there's 220. So that tells me that you've all done it at least 5 entries. Brilliant. Fantastic. Really, really great. Anyway, very good. Let's come back to the main screen a moment. Do some push-ups in between sitting every half an hour or something, just a few. You're right. I've got to get the blood moving. This is the problem. Sid, thank you very much for your suggestion. I appreciate it. McDonald's all-time high today. Want to buy some, but I just cannot justify. Oh my flipping gosh, my Coca-Cola and my J&J. I'm only 1.95 down now. This is phenomenal. Great. We're seeing a real surge right now. Oh yeah, portal, hypertension. You need a treadmill desk. Yeah. Tesla is simply a monster of a stock on the stock market. We like or not, Tesla has cars, solar. We'll have pots. Pots? We'll have pots. We'll have pots. What are we saying? What are we selling pots for? We'll have insurance. We'll have robotaxi. We'll have Cybertrucks. We'll have vans. Oh my gosh. Dick Jones. There you go. He's back. Tesla simply requires time. But yes, I agree. But it's overpriced right now. Tip: if you do on the laptop, it is easier and you don't have to leave the stream. Absolutely right. Also, you sign in once, it will be easy for all future giveaways. Yes, I want to thank everybody. Ali Tizro is sponsoring my giveaways. He is sponsoring these giveaways and this software that we're bringing to you now. So thank you, Ali, for that. I am going to win the test giveaway. Eric's doing everything. I can actually tell you who's winning. Should I tell you who's got the most points? I can tell you who's got the most points. Let me have a little look. I can see who's doing the most. Who's got the most points? I'm new to the software, so let me have a look. Competitions. I can see who's doing the most. I mean, at the end of the day, the software will pick a random winner, but the more tickets you've got, obviously, the more chances that you have. Let me have a look. How can I... Actions, reporting. Let me go into reporting. J&J doing very nicely. Google. Look at this. There's some great opportunities right now. I need to go back to Virgin Galactic, because anything above 406, 407, I want to sell some. Anyway, let's have a look. Top users. Here we go. Top users. Let me put it on the screen here. Ali Tizro. Ali Tizro, because he has done 20 actions, because he was testing it out for me. So he's got 24 entries. Here we go. Here's the list. So I'm afraid, Eric B., you're down the list. Ali Tizro, he's done 20 actions. Dick Jones, oh, you can't see it, can you? I want to share with you so you all know what's going on. Ali Tizrola, done 20 actions. Dick Jones is in second place with 14. Dick Jones is in second place. He only started 5 minutes ago. Mark Tompkins has done 7 actions. Has got 7 entries. There you go, you see. Brilliant, look at this. Who's in for Andrew Grady, Dave Mottram. So Eric, you're all the way down here. Oh, Eric Boot, isn't this you? Eric Boot, this is you. You're all the way down here. You've done 3. You've done 3. 3 actions. So you've not unlocked the 5 the magic ones or anything yet. Andrew Belcher's at the top, at the bottom, and Craig McKee is at the bottom. Mayor, there you go. There's the list of how many people have done it. All right. Okay. Back to our main position here. Looking very nice indeed. I'm very excited, actually, because we're seeing the portfolio looking very strong. Look, I'm going to win the... Eric B., you're not going to win yet. I like this software. It seems to really reward the daily viewers and some squads. Some squads. Tesla pots. What's Tesla Pots? Woo, nice one, Ali Tizro. But Ali Tizro, of course, can't win his own giveaways, of course, and neither can I. It says I need to enter one more campaign to get the 5 at the bottom. Absolutely. Ali, Dick Jones, you are storming away. Andrew, very good. Very good, thanks. Cheers, Ali. Dick Jones, 18. I count 18. It won't let me claim the bonus one at the bottom. That's because you've not done 5 things. I only need 1 entry for my free mug. Right, look at this. So there we go. The Roth IRA, 40 what now? 49,000. We nearly touched 50,000. We're not quite at 50,000 yet, but this is nearly our all-time high. I bought some Virgin Galactic today. I said I would, and I did. There you go. I bought at 381. Lowered my average. I meant squats next to the push-ups. Okay, squats. I wondered what you meant, squads. I had no idea. No idea what you meant. Okay, 5 things. Yeah, 5 actions. You've got to complete the actions. If you just click on it, you haven't completed the action until you press continue. It'll tell you when you've got 5 actions. It tells you how many times you've entered. Free mugs. I want a mug. Ali Isles wants a free mug. Right, we're up now. We're up now. This is good. The S&P. Oh, look at it. I'm up 5.5% now. The highest I've ever been up is 6%. Right, crypto challenge. Ali, we've had a few people here asking about the crypto challenge today. We had, let me scroll up. Are they still here? We had Sam talking about Doge, and we also had Safin Ally, Dogefly. Let me see if Safin Ally is here. Safin. Is Safin Ally still here? S-A-F. Yes, he is. Safai Ali. Ali is here now. Also, Sam as well. We've had a couple of people today talking about it. So let's talk about our crypto challenge now, how it's going. So if you're interested in crypto and you're like me, you don't know much about it, or you don't want to know much about it, you want somebody to study charts for you 24 hours a day. And when I say 24 hours a day, I actually mean it. He's from the UK, and I will call here at the end of the day, and it's like 2 or 3 in the morning, and he'll answer the phone to me. I've got a 24-hour hotline to Ali Tizro. It's brilliant. And he always answers to me. And he's always studying crypto. I don't know when he's going to sleep, quite frankly. He needs to sort his life out. He can't just live for crypto. But at the moment, he does, for your benefit, right? So Ali set up a crypto challenge with me. And this is the crypto challenge right now. Let me share on the screen. I only invested $1,000, and only 36% of it is actually invested right now. And I am up a staggering $163 on just $300. That is a phenomenal amount considering we've just started. Let me share my crypto challenge with you right now. We're doing it on Coinbase as it's SEC regulated. We like it over there. And 64% of my money is on USDC, earning 4%. The rest of it is invested with certain crypto coins and assets and altcoins that I've never even heard of, and I don't have to. So if you want to be in our crypto challenge, Ali will do all the charts for you, everything you need to know. It's a premium service. However, if you use my membership on Discord, you get a lifetime discount. My memberships always get the best deal. So if you want to go and check out Ali's charts and what he does, just to give you an idea, I'm going to share some for you right now. So I'm going to share you a tease channel of Ali's services, and you can go and have a look. And you can see exactly what Ali's doing. These are the sort of charts that you'll get. And Ali will do them for you personally. He'll set up things for you, and he'll tell you what he's buying, what crypto we're buying, and not just like other YouTubers, everything's going to go up to $1 million and go all in on Bitcoin. Not like that. An actual worked out portfolio. So this is one of the charts that I can share with you that Ali has produced for you. Here it is. This is on his Tees channel. Now, if you want to get access to all of this, Ali, if you put your link into your Discord channel, you can, and people can hop right over. If you'd like to go through here's Ali's Discord channel. Give it to you right now. If you want a lifetime discount and you want to be a member of mine, basically my membership is virtually free to give you a lifetime discount. Here is my invitation to join if you want to be a member of mine. Remember, my memberships get over 20 times back what they put in. That's why 95% of my live viewers are members. More than any other channel on YouTube, 95% of my live viewers are members. There's my invitation. And there is my Discord. Now, on my Discord, once we upgrade you to be a YouTube member, you will see Ali Tizro's tips. And from there, he will guide you into his own server. If you want to go directly to him, you can. But these are the sort of charts we're talking about. And Ali will come on live to the show. We have our very own crypto challenge playlist as well, with all the updates of what we're doing. And if you go to the homepage of the YouTube channel and you look below, you will see up the top here the playlist. You can choose the crypto challenge playlist and get all the updates. But I have to tell you, I am thrilled to bits with this. It's my own money that I'm investing. We're still predicting this breakout, $32,000, and it would have happened if the markets hadn't sold off today. It would have happened. But there you go. If you want to learn more about it, go to Ali's server or my server, or look at our playlist on our channel of our crypto challenge. All right, Ali, if you want to call in, I'll open the Discord lounge up and you can have a word with everyone if you want to. And we get updates from Ali. He'll call in live to the show from time to time. Let me go over to the broadcast lounge now and open it up. And then we'll scroll down. Okay, here we go. We'll open it up. If Ali wants to call in, or anybody else, any member wants to call in, you can call in and have your say on the show. But there you go. Looking pretty good. My portfolio is green today. And let's have a look as well at year to date. This is very, very important. Year to date, my overall position here. Look, if we go year to date, you can see I'm up today. I'm also up on the week, 2.47. I'm up on the month, 1.23. I'm also up over 3 months, 9.26. And year to date, 9.27. Absolutely phenomenal start this year to my portfolio. But overall, I'm still down a big way because I've been buying the dips. 40,000. Now, 40,000 is 371. I want to see it say 39,000. And if you look at that and think, well, that doesn't look very good. Here, I owned 10, let's just say 10 shares at $10. I now own 1 million shares at $1. So I've been buying the dips all the way down, staying in the market. I cleared margin, got out of that, and I am extremely happy with my portfolio. I just know it's a matter of time now. There we go, 49,000. Hopefully we could even reach 50,000 this week, but the first time ever. And I'm only adding at the moment, because I lost my Saturday night gigs, I'm only earning on YouTube, and I'm just now earning enough to pay the bills and have a few bucks left over. So at the moment, all I'm investing is $1 a week in my brokerage account, $1 a week in my Roth IRA, and in 2 weeks' time, I'll reassess that, and hopefully I will be able to double that straight away and continue going. All this started out in $5,000. But right now I've lost all my work. I'm only earning money on YouTube, and I've hit bottom, and I hope to build from there. But hopefully within a month from now, we'll double it 2 or 3 times. But we shall see. I'm starting at the very minimum lowest level and building up from there. Let me read some comments here that have just come on in. And then I'll get an update on the competition, see how everyone's doing. Martyn Lucas, will Richard Branson have a shave and save the Orbit Cowboys, or at the least lights going back to the sea? What is all that about? I have no idea what that's about. Rephrase that, Julian, our Doctor Who. Anyway, I said last week BTC had too many longs on it. It still has, says Andrew Grady. We give it a few more days. The longer we don't break out, the less likely we will, says Ali Tizro. Expecting more info on the 3rd of May. Can we look at Dogecoin on Robinhood? Yes, we can. We can look at Dogecoin on Robinhood, most certainly. Let me go to my crypto position here. And let's have a look. D-O-G-E, Dogecoin. Up 29% today. That was all to do with the Twitter thing. 29%. Bloody hell, if you had some Doge today, you'd be laughing, wouldn't you? But, yeah, there you go. It's now 10 cents a coin. There you go. Dogecoin up 29%. I'm not, and I will not, have any FOMO when it comes to crypto. If Ali wanted me to buy some Doge, he will make that decision for me, and he'll make it for all of my premium members. I don't need to worry or consider Dogecoin or anything like that. I just leave that to Ali to worry about, and then just shout at him when he gets it wrong, basically. You know, you do have Doge, Martin. Oh, do I? See, I don't even know what I own. What, on the crypto challenge? I can't show anybody, can I? On the crypto challenge. Do I? I had no idea. That's why I'm up. Oh, that explains why I'm up then. You do have Doge, Martin. All right, cheers. See, I don't even know what I've got. Brilliant. Don't forget non-farm payrolls Friday. Yes, it's in the newsletter and we'll be covering it. Absolutely. Right. Let's get an update on our leaderboard. Ali Tizro was in first place. Dick Jones with 14. Let me refresh. He has 18 entries. Dick Jones has 18 entries. Let me update it and see who is on our leaderboard. Let's have a quick look. Dick Jones is in, let's have a little look. Dick Jones has got 22 now. Fight Channel has just come in from nowhere. Oh, Eric Boot. Eric Boot has shot up the list now. Eric Boot thought, hang on a minute. I can't have this. I want to be. He's going, I'm doing all the things. What's going on? So we got Ali Tizro at the top. It's because he's testing everything. He can't win nothing. Dick Jones has got, look at this, 22 points now. Fight Channel has gone straight up there into second place. And Eric Boot is in third. Look at that. Flipping heck, that's more like it. How about that? That's amazing. What a turnaround that is. So 102 entries. Let me refresh it. This is great. This is going to be a lot of fun. And remember, you can come back daily and get extra points as well. And I only need one entry. That's 129 entries. Brilliant. Right then. This is so much fun. I'm loving this. This is great. This is really great. Okay, let me check the comments on that video. I made you a very short video, 1 minute 26 seconds long, and I can't tell you what the comment is, of course. But let's have a little look. Let's see how many have done it now. We had one comment correct from Eric Boot, because the rest of you never read it properly. Free mugs. Yes, it's called Virgin Orbit. Made us all mugs. Yeah, I know. Made us all mugs. We all lost our money, but you know, it's not over till the fat lady sings. You just make a reinvestment somewhere else. The S&P is up 0.34. I hope I can win. I only win what I sponsor. Exactly. You only can't win what you sponsor. Exactly. Of course you can win. Oh, there we go. We've got Andrew Grady has now got the right comment. Ali Isles has got the right comment, and Martin and Eric B has got the right comment. Good. I hope I can win. I only can't win what I sponsor. I thought that's correct. I can't win sod all, because all right, Leah, how you doing? All right, I like the outfit. Very nice. Very spring. Leah's got a spring outfit on. Very spring. Very girly. I wouldn't wear it. It wouldn't look right on me. If I put it on, you'd laugh. On Leah, looks great. There's one of the mugs that you can win, or you can buy one. It's up to you. Oh, right, the S&P. Flipping heck, 0.5%. That's a lot on a day on the S&P 500. Up 5.5% now. Virgin Galactic, if we can get it to 406, 407, anything above there, I will do some trimming. Virgin Orbit down 19 cents now. Rivian going back up again. Tesla, I want to buy it at 150. Put it on, Martin. I knew someone would come out with that. Dick, I think my loyal bonus has eroded because I've got all blue ticks. Erode? I don't know what erode means. I've got all blue tick. It says I need one more campaign to get the loyalty bonus. I think my loyal bonus has gone. I don't know what that means because I've got all the blue ticks and it says I need one more campaign to get the loyalty bonus. It might take a day, like the following day. I'll explain it. I'll check the details. But Dick, thank you for letting me know because we are watching it and checking it. They are posting on the site. Jeffrey Diamond, who is posting what on what site? Jeffrey Diamond, not advice. Virgin Orbit posting hiring last week. Maybe the Pareto principle at work. Oh, Jeffrey Diamond. Yeah, we were looking at this. You said they're posting. Was it you who said you applied for the jobs? Someone made the point of, have they updated the website? Have they updated the website? It might be they've not updated the website and it could be old jobs. I doubt very much they're posting new jobs when they fired everybody. But we are looking into it. Martyn Lucas live. You look like a time traveler, slow motion, time slip man, but looks good. I'm in slow motion. What's going on? Saying you look like Elton John. Yeah, probably. She can't wear revealing clothes now due to your blood pressure. Yeah, that's right. Bloody hell, there's always a cloud, isn't there? The fat lady has sung and got slim, and now she's exploding into the sea with the satellite of Virgin Orbit. Oh my God, Martyn Lucas, you're always a winner. You have your wife's drinks and smiles. You have your wife's drinks and smiles. Perfect. Error. Dick Jones, errored. It's hard to understand what you're saying, Dick Jones. I'm trying to translate here. Jeffrey Diamond, they are historical jobs, aren't they? They're not going to be hiring while laying off 80% of the workforce unless it's temporary positions to help wind up. That's what I said this morning. Perhaps they're trying to just hire people to, take care of solvency and all that kind of stuff, going insolvent, into the receivership. Anyway, loyalty bonus, that means you need to enter 5 previous loyalty bonus. That means you need to enter 5 previous competitions. If it says you need one more, that's great. It means you have 5 entries for the next real one. Thank you for explaining that, Ali. We're just testing the software. There doesn't seem to be dates on those roles. Thank you, 22. Right. Okay. We've got 5 minutes before the bell goes. The S&P is going up. Virgin Galactic, if we can get over 4, like 406, 407, I'll trim off, lower my averages and try and buy it again tomorrow. Just keep bringing those averages down all the time. Virgin Orbit, but don't do it in a way where you've misled yourself. You need to make a profit before you sell something. All right. Ideally, if I can sell it tomorrow, that would be better. That way I've preserved my day trading score because I'm trying to get back onto earning on my cash sweep. I'm currently not earning on cash sweep because of uninvested cash because I was flagged as a pattern day trader. Okay. How's your diet? You need to radically change it. I can offer advice for high blood pressure. Andrew Grady, thank you for that. I've got my own nurse now. Andrew Grady is it a nurse or a doctor, Andrew? I don't want to get that wrong, of course. Right, Virgin Orbit still going down. The overall portfolio is getting better. Rivian's going up. Tesla is moving up as well. Lucid. We've got 4 minutes to go. Let's do a quick update on the... for those of you that haven't entered our competition, test. Please all take part. I want your feedback and thoughts on it. Here it is, the competition feedback. Here's the competition test. It runs out in 24 hours. This time tomorrow, we'll end it. Critical care nurse. There you go. Just what I need. There it is. Let me update it. We had 129 entries. Let's have a look. Let's refresh it. There we go. Let me refresh it. Here it comes. Here it comes. 138 entries now. Absolutely brilliant. I want to know if the Queen of Self-Braiding has done it. She was here earlier. There we go. The iPhone, the overall position's getting better. Here we go. Here's my main position. Here's the Roth IRA. Nearly green. 49.2. We're getting to an all-time high now. Brilliant. I'd love to see $50,000. Wouldn't that be great? It'd be a massive achievement. Trelisk, massive. I went to look at Evo 6 today. The guy wanted 25 grand for it. It was rotten all underneath to the point the gearbox was falling out. The guy was not impressed when I said I won't buy it. 25,000 for rust. You tell him, Alios, and tell him that Martyn Lucas sent you. That'll get you a discount. Martyn Lucas, carry on nurse. Oh, Frankie Howard. Oh, Mrs. Oh, Mrs. Yeah, we know all about it. Oh, there we go. Brilliant. So there we go. Looking pretty nice now. If we can turn everything green today, it's looking good. I like it. All right, here we go. 1 minute to go. We're coming up to the bell. Let's go over to the main position. Here we go. And we've got just over 1 minute to go. Just a few seconds to go. Bring up the timer. Looking good. My timers aren't working. My computer's getting slower and slower by the day. And I have no idea why. I can't. I'm really struggling to control stuff. I might have to buy a new computer, which is a really frustrating thing, because it would mean selling some of my shares. It's about $5,000 to buy a computer better than this one. Anyway, there it is. Maybe I can get Apple to sponsor me. Apple, if you're watching right now, I need the new studio computer because my show is... I've figured out my unique code. You figured out your unique code. I think didn't I ask how many days there are in a week? Hang on a minute. Let me come back to you. The unique... I can't remember now what the unique code was. Wasn't it how many hours a day I go live or something like that? It wasn't hard. Anyway. Yeah, it just says 23, though, right? You haven't got around to taking them down in my... Just says 23. I don't know what 23, what 22 is saying. They just haven't got around to it. The bell's gone. Sorry, I couldn't ring the bell this afternoon. Unfortunately, I couldn't do that. Things are just not working the way they should. The S&P just falling very slightly after hours. And it's time to do day trader of the day again. I won this morning. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh, yeah, I'm not going, Ali. That was a technical glitch because the computer running slow. Virgin Galactic at $100, Martyn Lucas. Blood pressure explode with his head. Exactly. It wasn't hard. But it's only a test, so I can tell everybody what the answer is. But let's be honest, it wasn't difficult, right? Let me check if the Queen of Self-Braiding took part in today's... I want to see. Let's have a look. Doesn't look like it. No. There you go. I told you that would be a bit delayed. Virgin Galactic just falling off a little bit. Back to the main portfolio. Martin's had enough. It's hard if you don't watch and listen. It's hard if you don't watch and listen. Well, yeah, exactly. That's the point. You're supposed to like watch and listen. Here's Bill. Here is Bill. Right, Bill, we're about to do our biggest ever giveaway. It's 10 times more than any other cash giveaway we've ever done. And the prize itself, on top of a cash prize, because there's a cash prize plus services, is actually 100 times bigger than any other giveaway we've ever done. And this competition page is where every giveaway will happen. All right, here it is. I'll give it to you in the chat right now. So once you've got this page, you can be part of it. All right. You get extra points if you get the newsletter. It's always free. You don't have to be a member for this. It's free. You need a manual bell. Yeah, just hold it in my hand. Right. Okay. Bill won't enter. He can't claim. Okay. Well, yeah. Anyway. $10,000. No, it's not $10,000, Bill. Not $10,000. I said the cash prize is 10 times more than I've ever done. For my weekly. Anyway. I've never given away a $1,000 prize, have I? Anyway. I know I gave you $1,500 for a charity fundraiser. But yeah. It won't happen. What won't happen? Well, it is happening, Bill. It is happening. We are doing our biggest ever cash prize. It is happening. And it's 10 times more than any other cash prize we've ever done. And I don't know what that's 100 times that what I won. I don't know what that means, Bill. Sorry. You need to rephrase that. Virgin UK Bank, have a look at better profit than his other lot of sweeties in the shop. Oh, you won $100. Oh, yeah, you won $100. You also got $1,500 as a fundraiser that I did for you. I was on a gig, if those you don't know, for my members, I do extra things. I did a gig where I raised about $1,500 and sent it to Bill so he could buy himself or repair himself his mobility scooter because he was disabled to get around. So we sent him $1,500 and he's just unmembered me. So there you go. I never thought Bill would unmember the show. I thought Bill would be a member for life because $1,500 would have paid his membership for 3,000 years. I don't know. Anyway, we raised him $1,500 so he could get his mobility scooter fixed, and he won $100. Is it 100 or $1,000? Just spit it out, Martin. It'll be on Sunday, and but it's worth way more than $1,000. Yep, that's all I'm going to tell you right now. And it's our best ever giveaway. Anyway. Well, Zach didn't get all of it, did he? Because you fixed your scooter. You used the money to fix your scooter. So you did still get $1,500, Bill. You might have given money away afterwards, but I raised money because I didn't think you had any money. If you had money to give away, why am I raising you money? Bloody hell. Something's wrong here. Anyway. Let me have a look. Secret codes reporting winners. Right. Okay. We've come to the end of the show. We'll do day trader of the day. Can I have $1,500 to unsubscribe? Yes. No worries, Andrew. Worth more. Don't tell me it's one of your bleeding jackets. Worth more. Don't tell me it's one of your bleeding jackets. No. It's not one of my jackets. The Elton John jacket is worth a lot more than that, but I'm never giving that away. I need a fundraiser for a new motorbike. I need a fundraiser to buy a new computer. I will have $1,500. I will have $1,500. There you go. I will take it. Send it my way. I'm happy for it. Anyway, yeah, can we have a fundraiser to cover my Maldives holiday this year? Why not 22? I mean, why not? You're not even a member. You're not even a member. Why don't I just give you $1,500? Oh my God, flipping heck. For those of you who don't know, 22 is is a moderator for the channel. It puts a lot of effort into our channel, provides great information, does a lot of good work for us, a lot of information, watches regularly. The reason why he's not a member is he can't be a member, apparently, from where he comes from, which is, I think it's Guernsey or the Isle of Wight. I think one of those, Isle of Man, I think it is. You can't be a member. It's part of YouTube's terms. I don't know why, just the way it works. Anyway, thanks, Martin, for all you do for your members. Ali, thank you very much. Thank you. That was a lot of fun doing that fundraiser for Bill. It was. I did a gig. I was doing a theatre show, and I went round with a hat, and they gave me $1,500, and then I sent it to Bill. Anyway. Just read an article, Virgin Galactic plans to do commercial flights in 2024. Not sure how valid this article from Recura is, though. They've been saying this, Sid, for ages. And people are getting very tired of Virgin Galactic. And I think it's really bad as well that Richard Branson really is not showing any interest in being vocal about anything. My contacts... My big investors, remember I've told you I've got friends who have millions of shares of Amazon. They won't touch this. They won't touch it. They won't touch it. They think Richard Branson is losing credibility. It was his own dream, and now he's flown. It's just all going down the toilet. A lot of people think that now. Doesn't matter how bullish you are and excited you are on space travel. You know, Richard Branson, I think he's shooting himself in the foot. With Virgin Orbit, you'd think he'd come on. When I was at the Virgin Orbit space station, everybody was expecting Richard Branson to turn up. But again, it's one of those difficult things. Everyone expects it. That doesn't mean to say he has to turn up, does it? But people feel a bit let down that he's not really showing his face on anything anymore. But anyway, we shall see. Maybe he's not well. Who knows? There is more involved than just money. We can't wait till it comes out. There's more involved than just money, says Ed Nevius. We can't wait till it comes out all. No, exactly. Way more than the money. The money is the money is the least of it. The money is the least of our prize. Bill, I thought a Father Christmas lookalike. See him on that cool scooter with the drones. Yeah. I need fundraisers to cover my loss in space. So do I. I'm right with you, Schifferler Stephen. I need a fundraiser for my new motor. About 25 grand. What did Bill say now? I got in then, more or less paid it forward to Zach. It was a spur I was in the spur of the moment trying to Zach a favor. Then it all went downhill. Why did it go downhill? Nothing went downhill. Everything was great, Bill. You got a scooter repaired. Which is great. That's all uphill. That's all good. And then you had some money which you then sent to Zach and you helped him out in Africa. That's all good as well. So there's no downhill at all. Everything is positive. It's all good. You got your scooter fixed. People in Africa got their school fixed. Everybody won. Anyway, Guernsey. Yes, that was it. Guernsey. Cheapskates in Guernsey, says Dick Jones. He just can't do it. It won't allow him to. You can't be a member if you live in Guernsey. I don't believe it. It's Guernsey in North Korea. Well, that's what he says. I mean, he's been here every day. He provides great content to our show. He's a moderator. That's what he says. And I trust everyone until there's reason to doubt, right? There it is. It may well be true. He says it's true. I believe it. I wouldn't make him a moderator if I didn't believe it, would I? Dick Jones thought that was funny. You want April Fool's Day is right. It's supposed to say, but the African culture landed on America and it was the 1st of April, says Project Freedom. I said 3 weeks ago I was done with anything Virgin. I put that into Matador resource and thank God I did. Mod Contact says Richard Branson's having a nervous breakdown. What's a mod contact? Mod contact said that Richard Branson's having a nervous breakdown. We don't know. We have no idea. But what's a mod? Yes, the 1,500 was a fundraiser. Yes, I gave you $1,500 on my own money. I raised it on a gig. Nothing to do with the channel. I could have kept it for myself, but I gave it to you. The 100 was a giveaway. Yes, we had $100 to give away as well, and you won that as well. Anyway, AI super chats and memberships. I have this. I have this. Unfortunately, this feature isn't yet available in your region. I'm not trying to con Martyn out of £3 a month or whatever it is. I believe that. I have no issue with 22 at all. He wouldn't be a moderator if I did. Don't believe the FUD. Pete Barker is talking about Virgin Galactic. If Richard Branson is unwell, let's just be clear. If Richard Branson is unwell, it's got nothing to do with Virgin Galactic stock, okay? People get carried away. I think he's trying to do... everyone's down, Bill. All our stock, every single person is down. But we're all staying positive. We're all staying in. Every single person is down. Every single person is down. But you're up the most because you're the only one who's won all this money. But everyone else is down. We're all down. But we're still here. We're here for each other as well. Very important to be for each other. Ministry of Defense. Is that what it says? I've no idea. Bill, for the last time, I will answer all your questions, but I want absolutely clear because people reading your comments will think that you're not trusted with a moderator wrench, as you call it. So I'm going to answer that question because I don't want people thinking that you are not trusted. You won't even try. Just gives an excuse. Okay, Bill. So I'm going to answer you again. First of all, it's no one's right to be a moderator. I choose moderators. I made you a moderator 3 times. However, your account has been corrupted because every time I make you a moderator, you start deleting everybody. Whether it's a mistake or heavy fingers or your account is corrupted, I don't know. I've tried it 3 times. I don't need to make anybody a moderator. So I've caused damage to my channel 3 times to help you, right? And that's why you've not got a moderator badge. And I think it's a little bit bad when you're saying, you're not trusted and all the rest of it. And why would I give you a moderator badge after that? And secondly, you've unmembered, you've unsubscribed, you've cancelled the newsletter. Why? Moderators need to be always the same, not up and down like this. So I can't have moderators, one day a member, next day not, one day subscribe, next day not. I need members who are solid like that. So, I can't make you a moderator because I don't know what's going to happen to my account. So don't say you're not trusted. You've been trusted as much, if not more than anyone. So don't say that because that's not true. And if you say comments like that, I will hide them from the channel because I don't want people getting the wrong idea. Why don't we do a proper giveaway? We all put $10 in and one person gets it. We've got a much bigger giveaway than that coming up in the newsletter on Sunday. Way bigger than that. But no, I don't want money from everybody to do that. I appreciate your suggestion, but we don't want to do that because it's against terms of service of YouTube. We can't turn the channel into a gambling channel. That's what that would be. This is a typical Red Monday, no big deal. I'm perfectly fine holding my positions. Indeed. If you're in any debt, if you are in debt, doesn't seem to be right. Ali's comment here doesn't seem to be right to be buying expensive drones that don't produce any income. But I can't give financial advice as I'm not qualified. Indeed, I can't give financial advice. I've always thought that. Bill keeps buying drones. He's got like 5 of them or something, and then he says he's got no money. I don't think it's the best. But hey, we're not here to advise Bill. If Bill wants to buy 5 drones, he can buy 20 drones for all we care. That's up to him. Anyway. Let me read the comment. Richard Branson might not be well from the burriers and beer he had on us. You have no idea, Julian Lee. Yeah, I'm down a bit, but I'm still positive and eating cheese. How is that a relevant comment? I'm still down, but I'm eating cheese. Brilliant. I like it. I still have 600 shares average in space, but thinking about selling a part of it and maybe buy in back later. Listen, would you rather buy at 1 cent a share if the company is potentially going bust, or $10 of a share at a company or asset that makes money? It's simple. It's obvious, right? Everyone's looking at the price rather than the company. It's the first rule in investing. Would you rather buy Virgin Galactic at 386, or would you rather buy a share of the S&P at 377? What one would you rather own? It's obvious. And if anyone says Virgin Galactic, you don't understand you don't understand investing at all, right? It's not how much you pay for the stock. It's what has the most value. And there's more value with owning a share of the S&P than there is owning a share of Virgin Galactic. That's a fact. Doesn't matter how good you think it is. And that's why 44% of my portfolio is the S&P. It's flipping obvious. Yeah, sending some love to Bill. We're all sending love to Bill. Yeah, we love Bill. Come back and join us. Richard Branson might be unwell from all the burgers and beers from Martyn Lucas Orbit shares. Be gentle to Martyn Lucas. He's been to the doctors. Let him chill out today. I like it. What's a red Monday mean? What's a red Monday mean? It means it's Monday and the stocks are red. That's all. There's nothing clever there, Dick Jones. A red Monday means it's Monday and the stocks were red. If all the stocks are down tomorrow and they're all red on Tuesday, guess what? It's a red Tuesday. 22. I've already said the same thing. Hard to feel sorry for people financially when they have more toys than Santa. There you go. I've got a lot in the S&P as well. I'd rather buy it than S&P. I'd rather put it in the S&P, of course. Flipping it, guys. This is absolute common sense, right? Too many people buy stocks rather than buy companies. They buy prices rather than value. Would you rather own a share of the S&P at $360 or a share of Virgin Galactic? Think about it. In 100 years, actually there's no point. What's the point of 100 years? Assume you're 50 years of age and assume you're going to live to your 90. In 30 years time, you'll be 80, so you can still spend it, right? In 30 years time, I can guarantee 1,000% your S&P share will be up considerably. Can I guarantee your share of Virgin Galactic will even exist in 30 years' time? No. No, I can't. And that is the fact. Yes, Virgin Galactic could go up 100%, 200%. Yes. 1,000%. Yes, it could. Will the S&P go up 1,000%? No. No, no, no. Impossible. Never go up 1,000% in 30 years. No. But your Virgin Galactic could. Well, that's the choice you make. It's like buying a lottery ticket. You've got no chance whatsoever of winning the lottery. Any measurable amount. None at all. That's why you buy $1 of it. Do you see the new Twitter logo? We had this confusion earlier. Twitter has not changed its logo, as I understand it. I'm looking at Twitter right now. I'm assuming you mean Twitter's page. Hang on a minute. Let me refresh. Oh, yeah. Oh, it has. They have changed it. Oh my God. Twitter has changed its logo to Doge. Unbelievable. Yeah, you're right. They have. They have. You're right. I've just checked it. Look at this. Look at this, folks. Unbelievable. Look at that. This is the Twitter homepage. Well, well, well. That tells you that Elon Musk is in charge. Look at that. The Twitter logo has changed. Look at that to Dogecoin. Unbelievable. I have to say, that is a very dangerous thing to do. Who agrees with that? Who agrees with that? I have to tell you, that is, I mean, Twitter is a global, recognized brand, and they've changed. Wow, I tell you what, that really does surprise me. I have to be honest, that surprises me, and that is such a big deal. I'm going to make a video on it. That is absolutely unbelievable. I find that hard to comprehend, if I'm honest. That's a very dangerous thing to do. Very, very dangerous thing to do. Let me... in fact, I tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to create a poll on my Twitter right now. And I'm going to make a video on it. I'm going to do a poll. Elon Musk. Elon Musk changes. Whoops. Elon Musk changes the Twitter logo. I'm going to zoom in so you can see what I'm doing. Elon Musk changed the Twitter logo to Doge. I can't believe it. Elon Musk changed the Twitter logo to Doge. Is this a good move? Remember, this is a global, I think it's a mistake, global global professional platform. People advertise on it and all sorts of things. You know, celebrities use it. Remember, this is a global professional platform, and many regard Dogecoin as a joke. I think that's a bad idea. You imagine Coca-Cola doing that. Imagine Coca-Cola doing that. Imagine Coca-Cola doing that. Coca-Cola. Would you imagine? Could you imagine them doing that? What is Coca-Cola? What's Coca-Cola's handle? Imagine Coca-Cola doing that. I think that's crazy. I think that's absolutely bonkers. Remember, I always say the guy is crazy. That is the most ridiculous thing. I mean, seriously, it's a global business brand, and you are literally playing with it like it's a toy. I am absolutely blown away. I'll be interested to know your views on this. Coca-Cola. I need to get their Coca-Cola's... oh, well, there it is. World of Coca-Cola is the official one. World of Coca-Cola. There we go. That's what I'm looking for. That's what I didn't know. World of Coca-Cola. Imagine them doing it and having a Mickey Mouse on it or something like that for a joke. I mean, Mickey Mouse is sort of credible, but imagine if it was some stupid, you know, thing. World of... There we go. Imagine Coca-Cola doing a logo of... Yeah, I'll just do Mickey Mouse. I mean... Now Mickey Mouse is I don't know what could it be? Mickey Mouse doing a logo of a clown. There you go, a clown. There you go. Just to make the point. Is this a good move? Bloody hell. Good move. Bad move. Or I will do a disaster. Bad move or disaster. I'll make it over 3 days. Okay. I think it's ridiculous. I'll tell you that for nothing. Imagine we're doing a logo of a clown. Right. So we'll do... I've already tagged Elon Musk, Twitter, and Dogecoin. Dogecoin trending, no surprise there. Okay, that'll do. And then Lucas AIDS, which is our tag, all right? One day that'll trend. Okay, and then I always tag myself in it, my other channel, so you all know it's me. Very important. Okay. Okay, Elon Musk. Okay, there you go. So Elon Musk changes the Twitter logo to Doge. Is this a good move? Remember, this is a global professional platform, and many regard Dogecoin as a joke. Imagine Coca-Cola doing a logo of a clown. Right, there we go. Good move, bad move, disaster. Okay. I'll be interested to see what you comment on that one. I might give extra points tomorrow into our competition if you come back tomorrow. Okay, refresh the page. The stocks are up right now. How many people are watching me right now? There are 33. Wow, incredible. Everyone's still with me. Brilliant. Okay, let's have a little look. I'm getting very frustrated by my computer getting slower and slower and slower every day now. What? Where's it gone? I just posted that, didn't I? That's frustrating. Where's it gone? Let me come back to that a minute. Watch the trades. Feds, we need to pay more attention to the credit channel. We need to pay more attention to the credit channel. What's the credit channel? The Fed is focused on inflation and the job market is doing okay. Doge is almost zero gas fees. Loretta Whiteside interview today. George Whiteside thinks she is flying on Unity. I think she's space traveler 70 or not, 90, not sure. She says Virgin Galactic will fly continuous regular flights July 2024. We can't verify that. We've had things from Spaceline before. They're not. I got to be fair. They're not always accurate. So we've had a lot of predictions about flights that never happened. So I just want to be very clear on that. Elon's a genius. He simply emulated what Dogecoin did themselves by taking them out of Shiba Inu. Green Room, I can provide some for part of the video. Thank you, Ali. You can't start a tweet with the symbol @ as it gets lost out of a word. You can't start a tweet with the @ symbol as it gets lost out. It gets lost out a word before Elon Musk. Is that why it disappeared? Very weird. I don't know where it went. I thought it was there. Thank you for that advice. I'll try something new then. So just bear with me as I do that again. Apparently I can't start I didn't know that. I can't start a tweet with the @ symbol. Put a word before. Okay. I didn't know that. Okay. What did I write? 'Cause I did it the way I wanted it. Bloody hell, that's annoying. That's annoying. I did all that and it's gone. Click in your tweets and replies. It will be in there. I'm looking in my tweets. It's not there. It's not in there. I'm looking in my tweets. I'm looking in my replies. And it's not there. I don't know why it didn't post. Since I've got Twitter Blue. Oh, there it is. So it's in. It's in replies. So it is there. Aha, it is there. So it does work. It does work, but because all right. So I get it. It does work, and it is there. So look, it's in tweets and replies. It's because I tagged Elon Musk at the beginning. Look, if you start with an @ it puts it as a reply because you're replying to Elon Musk. It's in my replies. It's not in my tweets. Look, if I go to my tweets, it's not in my tweets. Look. Okay. If I go to my tweets, it's not there. But it is in. See that? Look. It's in my replies because I used the @ sign. There you go. Another thing. Another thing learned there. So if I go into here. And I can change that then. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on it and copy and paste it and redo it and just change that first sentence. Thank God for that. Okay. See, I'm going to copy that and go to my profile again. I want everyone's opinion on this. So here we go. Let's do it again. Mr. There you go. There we go. Now then.
I'm not sure I understand.
What the heck was that? We got a voice pop in then. Okay. Mr. Elon Musk changed the Twitter logo to Doge. Is this a good move? Remember, this is a global professional platform. There we go. So I want to give that a poll. We'll try it now. A good idea. Bad idea. Disastrous. Terrible idea. Okay. There you go. Let's see what happens to that. And I'll set it for 3 days. There we go. And I think that will do. We'll try it again. So if you start with a word, I thought I looked sluggish and robotic. I think Fury Awada would give him a good hiding. Bye, Andrew. Andrew's off. Andrew Grady, I think. Bye, everyone. I'll look after you. Thank you very much. Yeah, I'll look after you. Hey, Joshua James. Appreciate it. There you go. It's posted there now. Sending tweet. Send now. Okay. So now I'm going to give everyone that link now. The hell's it gone again? I'm having so many hassles today. My computer's getting so slow now. I don't know why. I've never had these problems before. Everything is getting very difficult. I wish I had $5,000 to buy a new computer. Oh, there it is. It's finally popped in. It's just everything is slow. Okay, wow, we've had a vote straight away. Incredible. We've had a vote straight away. My God, that was quick. Who was that? Who did that? Leave your thoughts below as well. All right, here we go. I'm going to give you the link for it, so you can all find it. Copy link to tweet. Okay, here we go. I'm putting it in the chat. If you want to, it's not part of our competition. I don't want to spend the time doing that right now. But there we go. We're going to open up the the broadcast lounge now. We're going to have Ali Tizro call in, and we're going to do this, make a video over this. All right. So we're going to make a video on this. So let me zoom into that. Right. I've given everyone now the position there. Let me go into the a minute. Virgin Orbit. Let me just type in Doge, D-O-G-E, a minute. Bring it up on the screen. Ali Tizro, you're in the broadcast lounge. Let's make a video out of it. Let's see what everybody thinks. We've got Twitter. There we go. Okay, Dogecoin. It's coming back down again. So let's go to the production screen. Ali, stand by. Let me bring you in. Let me go and visit Ali now. I'm going to bring Ali into the broadcast lounge. Okay, Ali, you're live on the show. How are you?
Hello, Martin. Thanks for having me on. I'm doing well, and yourself?
Yeah, I'm doing well too. Thank you very much indeed. So you want to be part of this post here this afternoon. We're doing a video. We'll do a quick video. We'll make it about 6 minutes long, I think, talking about Dogecoin, Twitter, and what we think. Obviously, you can talk about Dogecoin from a crypto point of view and what you think of Elon Musk, and we'll also promote this poll, and we'll see if we can get a reaction to this and see what people's thoughts are. Let me just make sure I've got all the information I need. There is the trading screen to show Doge. Okay, I've got my iPhone there on the poll. Let's have a look. Good idea, bad idea, terrible idea. There we go. There's the votes coming in there. And we've also got it on the screen as well there. Okay. Do what, Ali?
Quickly talk about.
Oh, your audio was coming through a bit bad then. You try that again?
There's two charts on general chit chat on my Discord that you can put, have ready as well.
Ah, right. Okay, go to your Discord. Excellent stuff. Let me go over there now. I'll just get it queued up. And on Tees, we're in general chit chat, you said, right?
Yes.
Let me look for general chit chat. There it is, general chit chat. Bring this up as well. And anyone, you can do your comments as well. Done. Twitter Doge. Done. says Stephen Lewandowski. All right, we'll bring up. I'll just pick one. Which one should I pick?
We can. Let me see. You can do the bottom one. It doesn't really matter. One's longer time, one's shorter time.
I just want to prepare
the
it.
Bottom one.
I'm doing more preparations because the computer's running slow. I need to try and make it without changing things too much. I don't understand this. Maybe there's a fault on my computer. Maybe it's just getting burned out. 10 hours a day now for a year and a half. Maybe some components are getting tired. I don't know. Right. It wouldn't surprise me. I'm getting tired, so maybe the computer's got an excuse as well. Right, okay, so there we go. We've got that there ready to go. We've got that up there. And, okay, so let's start off with this. Okay, here we go. Thanks, Ali, for taking part in this. All right, let's do it. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Elon Musk at it again. What's he done now? Well, he's changed the logo of Twitter to a Dogecoin logo. The little dog, you know what I'm talking about? What do you think of that? Now, think of it for a moment. We are running a poll. We've just started our poll. If you look below this video, you will see the link to my Twitter poll. And I've tagged Elon Musk in it and Twitter and Doge. And I'm asking you the question, is it a good move? Remember, this is a global professional platform. Some people use it for messing around, but a lot of businesses, a lot of celebrities, myself, we use it in a professional way. At least we hope so. And many regard Dogecoin as a joke. Imagine the world of Coca-Cola. Imagine Coca-Cola changing their logo, doing a logo of a clown just for a laugh, just for a joke. What do you think of that? Right now, we're running a poll. We've only had 5 votes. By the time this video goes out, it could be millions. Who knows? Is it a good idea? Is it a bad idea? Is it a terrible idea? So far, 80% of the 5 votes, I have to say I'm completely blown away by that, saying it's a good idea, 80%. Well, we're going there is my Twitter. It is at Martyn Investor, at Martyn Investor. So if you have a little look, I'll scroll down. You can see my Twitter is here, at Martyn Investor. So you can go there. The link is below, but go there and leave your thoughts on this poll. I would love your thoughts on this. We've got 5 votes right now. Now, we're going to look at Dogecoin. We also have a special guest with us as well, live on the show. Let me just go over, first of all, to this perspective. This shows you the vote from here. So again, check it out. This is Dogecoin right now. It popped up today. As always, when it comes to joke coins and let me just edit this video. It's of course it's crypto, so it's going to be slightly different in it. Let me just cut this to here. It's always a bit differently displayed on Robinhood, and it won't let me get in that far. Let me take it there. Okay, that'll do. Okay. So let's go over now to Dogecoin and look at it on the chart. As always, with any sort of joke coin or, I don't know, dodgy investment, if you want to call it that, it popped up today and it fell right back down again. So Elon Musk probably made a lot of money today. Did he sell some? I don't know, no idea. But it popped up and going back down again. But we do have on the line now Ali Tizro, who's, if I want to know about crypto, it's Ali Tizro I go to. So let me go over now to Ali. He's on the line. We've got a chart he's just done for us on Dogecoin. Ali, what do you think of this?
I think it's expected. Thanks for having me on the show again.
Pleasure.
We've seen that it's popped up nearly 40% in price. It's being dumped again as as normally these things happen, the news comes out, everyone gets excited, everyone goes long, and then the price starts to drop again. As part of our crypto challenge, Dogecoin has been our #2 coin. This is because people who know what Elon's like, then we know that Elon's going to do silly things like this, whether it is silly, whether it is funny, whether it is whatever people want to say, it will push the price up. That's why we are invested in Dogecoin. We won't be selling Dogecoin now because there is more things Elon can do. For example, he could be accepting payments for cars in Dogecoin in the future. So we are holding for higher prices. And if we look at this chart now, this is a long-term view of Doge. It hasn't even broken out yet. It has just touched the top level. We can see levels of 11 cents, 12 cents, 13 cents before we see a proper reversal. But we will be holding for some time before we sell.
Brilliant. Thank you for that insight, Ali. Thank you ever so much for calling in. So there you go. There's Ali's take on it. So if you'd like to know more about Ali's crypto challenge that he mentioned there, because he said that I own, we all have Dogecoin. I didn't even know I'd owned it. But there you go. I don't take that much time to look at my my crypto challenge that Ali has placed for me. We do have a special program where I'm on a $1,000 to $10,000 challenge. We have others on a $7,000 to $100,000 challenge. And Ali does all this research for me with the news, with the charts. You just saw what he did there, a chart he just shared with you all. If you want to be part of that, look below and there is the link to Ali's server. There's also the access to my Discord server where you'll get a lifetime discount. You don't have to be a member of mine. If you want to go directly to Ali's server and check it out, you can check it out for free. But if you want to see all the charts and get all the analysis from Ali that it'll do for you, it is a premium service. But we would like your thoughts on this poll. So go and check it out. What do you think? Is this a bit of a joke? Is it good? What do you think? I'd love your thoughts on this. Here is the poll. Right now, we've got 5 votes on it 2 days ago. We just launched it a few seconds ago. When this video goes out, I'm sure a lot of people will take part in it. So leave me your thoughts below. I will answer every comment I can on the stock market and general investing, and any comment to do with Ali's crypto challenge, or if you want to talk about Dogecoin or the charts, anything like that around Dogecoin or any crypto for that matter, Ali, I'm sure, will reply back to the video. Thank you very much, Ali, for calling in, and I hope to get your thoughts on this. Is it a good idea? So far, 80% say yes. Is it a bad idea? 20% say no, it's a bad idea, and nobody yet has said it's a terrible idea. I must admit, I would have been in the terrible idea. But what do I know? Crypto isn't my thing. I'm more S&P 500, but I do believe crypto has a place on my portfolio, 5%, and I'm happy with that. But there you go. The world of Elon Musk at it again, changing a bird to a dog. The dog just eating the bird? Who knows? Maybe the bird will come back and be regurgitated. I have no idea. When he swallows all those feathers, it's bound to spit up some feathers. What do you think? Join us again every day here live on Martyn Lucas Investor. Take care of yourselves and each other. All right, there we go. Ali, you still with me? Hey. I'm still on the line. Yeah, that's all right, mate. Okay, we've done that. So I need to get a... something there. I'll do a funny face. I know what I'll do, and I'll find the Dogecoin dog, and I'll make a thumbnail out of that. But that video will be out later on, folks. Maybe you'll all check it out. 6 votes now. Let me refresh it. Is it changing without me having to refresh it? It does look like it's just constantly refreshing on the screen, which is nice. There you go. Let me give everybody the link to that poll. I should have put it as part of our competition, Ali, but that's how we can do things in the future. We're just testing the software today, though. There you go. Right.
Bitcoin's already down 14% from its high. So
yeah.
It's a classic pump and dump. I mean, it's happened a lot of Doge in the past, and the biggest one of them all was that SNL. What was it, the live thing that Elon Musk did?
Oh yeah, Saturday Night Live. Yeah.
Expected, but the reason we do hold it as part of the crypto challenge is this is expected of Elon Musk. I mean, it's not unheard of for him to do something like this. It won't be unheard of him for doing something like accepting payments for his Tesla vehicles in Dogecoin at one point in the future. So there's nothing wrong with holding a meme coin. If he's going to do it, we might as well profit off it.
Yeah, exactly.
That's my opinion. I'd probably hold it.
Exactly. Makes perfect sense. So let me just read the comments. Did anyone do any comments for Ali at all? Let's have a quick look. You're being hard on Dogecoin, Eric B. It's my show. I can be as hard or soft as I want. If you want to be if you want to be a fan, Eric B, of Dogecoin, get your own YouTube channel. You can have it. It can be called Eric's Dogecoin channel, and you can be all in love with it if you want. That's up to you. She never understands. Who doesn't understand Dick Jones? Is Dick Jones in trouble? Looks like Dick Jones's wife's come in and said, get off the YouTube. Is that what's going on? I'm trying to scroll up and find your comments. Let's have another little comment here. Ali Isles, it's not gone. Click on tweets and replies. Thank you, Ali. Thank you for that. I did find it after you told me that. Let's scroll down. Did anyone else watch British boxing's comeback with Anthony? Sorry, Jeffrey, we're off the subject there. I'll look after you, Joshua James. You did great for me. Thank you very much indeed. See you later, dude. See you, Dick Jones. Jeffrey Diamond, I thought he looked sluggish and robotic. I think, talking about the fight again. Scrolling down, Elon, MSK. Elon has hacked into your system to warn you that he does not understand why you're questioning his decisions. MSK, you're right. He's hacked into my system and he doesn't understand my decisions. You're dead right there. Or I don't understand his decisions. Let's have a look. Let's keep on going. Elon is messing with you, slating him. There you go. Dick Jones, probably. Done. Twitter Doge voted on by Stephen Lewandowski. I bought lunch with Doge a few weeks ago at Subway. My God, can you do that, Ali? Can you buy a Subway with Doge?
Yeah, it depends how you do it. Maybe they had a QR code there, or you could just do it through like a crypto card. It would automatically turn your Doge into dollars there and then, and pay. What's
the world come to? You know, can you imagine little Auntie Doris? She goes in. Little Auntie Doris. She's just been down the local hairdresser. She's got a blue rinse. She's just had her hair done, and she's getting a bit hungry. Bless her. She's 90 years old, Auntie Doris, and she goes into Subway and she says, "Can I have a ham sandwich, please?" And the guy goes, "Yep. How would you like to pay for it? We've got cash card, or you can pay with a little small dog." He goes, "What? What do you mean?" You can pay with Dogecoin. Well, what's Dogecoin, my dear? He said, "Well, it's just this little small dog." Can you imagine the confusion for Auntie Doris? She hasn't. I just want a ham sandwich. What's wrong with the world today? I don't understand the world. The world used to be simple. I'd come in here and I'd have a ham sandwich. And I'd give you £5 and you'd tell me to be on my way, and everything was good. Now you're asking me, would I like to pay with a little dog? Ali, the world. Imagine Auntie Doris, Ali. You're not saying anything to that, are you? That's just confused you.
No, the world's changed. The people can't keep up, so it's fine.
Put it this way. You're supposed to be. This is supposed to be like Radio 2. You know what? No, what was it? Chris Evans with his sidekick. He phones in and they do jokes backwards and forwards. You're supposed to be my front man. You know, I gave you a joke there, and you just went, "The world has changed." That's not funny. You need to come back.
I'm not very good with jokes. I'm just more of a chart.
You're a chart person. See, you're a chart person. But that's why you're in charge of the crypto challenge. See, because you're a chart person. I need somebody else on the line, along with our technical, clever chart person, that can sort of banter back with me. That's what we need. See, Ali's failing on that. Ali, I'm sorry, Ali, you're failing on that, mate. I mean, there was nothing about that was funny.
It's fine, I don't mind. I'll leave the show now.
Yeah.
Thanks for having me on.
He's getting out. He's going out. See you later, Ali. He's going, I'm having enough of this. Look, I'm the chart guy. I'm the guy who's going to make everybody rich, and you want me to be funny as well? Funny and clever. I mean, what you're expecting too much. MSK says, put it this way. If I can put in a buy position on crypto stock and change my company logo to the crypto company logo, leading to a multi-million-dollar profit, I would. Absolutely. I bet Elon Musk just bought a load of it just before he said it. Can you imagine? Do you reckon he did that? Does anyone reckon he did that? Do you reckon he knew what he was going to do? He bought $1 gazillion worth of Dogecoin. It went up. He made $1 gazillion more dollars. And then it sold off, and then he sold it right? Which he's just bought gazillions, and then the price crashes back down again. He's thinking, I love my life. I love my life. I love being Elon Musk. I knew what I was going to do. I did it. I sent the price up. It made $1 gazillion. I dumped it. It went back down again. Who reckons that just happened? Who reckons that just happened right now? I reckon that's what just happened. We just witnessed Elon Musk make $10 gazillion and then decide to be a sponsor of my channel. That's probably what just happened.
I don't think it'll be worth it. Well, I'm sorry, I'm back now.
Oh, you're back now. You decided to join in with the banter. I thought I'd upset you. I thought you'd gone and never see you again.
No, I was about to. No, I don't think he would have done that. I think it would have the repercussions. I think would not be worth it for him. I think he has a big bag and he has plans for Doge one day. So he's probably just buying it. He's probably bought a lot and he's got a big bag and he just enjoys all of this manipulation stuff. So maybe one day, when it pops a lot because of something else, he'll sell. But I don't think he wants to take that risk anytime soon.
Yeah.
Or such small returns like today. He can make Dogecoin pop 100% if he likes. So yeah. I don't think he has done that. But thanks again for having me on the show. I'll leave now.
Thank you very much indeed. Pop in whenever you want. Just popping in. Don't knock on the door. Just walk straight in. There's Ali Tizro on the line. MSK, £5 for a ham sandwich. You must be raking it in. MSK, you know what I'm saying. I just said £5. I can't remember when I last bought a sandwich. Hey, quite honestly, if you go to one of those service stations down the M4 in England, it probably is bloody £7 for a flipping sandwich. Let me tell you that for no bother. No crypto support. No crypto support, says Eric B. What crypto support do you want? We're giving you crypto support right now. 6,000 Dogecoins equals a ham sandwich. Elon knows exactly what he's going to do. Yeah, he does. And he's annoying me right now because the whole show has become the Elon Musk show. And I have just spent $180. I've given Elon Musk a $180 tip recently with my 2 verification ticks. Yeah, $180. $180 I spent on 2 accounts, $90 each. How about that? Just so you know it was me. Unbelievable. Anyway, there we go. I need to get off now, make that video. I got the one from this morning to put out, and I've got this one to put out about Dogecoin as well. So we got to do that, right? Virgin Galactic is just falling off again. Dogecoin. Let's have a look quick. Rivian, everything's falling back again now. Some profit taking from today. What about my J&J? The saviour to my portfolio. Yep, just sold off a little bit, but it's up today. Pretty good. You're bound to get profit taking along the way. It's what it's all about. Elon is doing okay without pumping Doge as far as I can tell. I think you're right. He's going to be all right. Being the richest man in the world, you probably can pay your mortgage. That's what I'm saying. And apparently, he doesn't even own a house, right? He rents a house. Apparently, he rents a house. Rents a tent somewhere. Doesn't even bother. When you're the richest man in the world, you just don't care, do you? Anyway, let's do day trader of the day. Go to your main portfolio. Are you up, you're down, you're sideways? I'm pretty flat, so I'm down at the moment very slightly. Down. 0.04 percentage points. There we go. I'm going to put a minute on the clock. Let me know your thoughts. Let's see who's up, who's down. Martin, you paid $180 to Elon just for him to invade your show. I know. Elon Musk, pay me $180 so I can invade your show. That would be more like it. Right, here we go. MSK. Right, ready. Has everyone taken part in our competition test? It ends tomorrow. There is our competition test. You would have bought 20,000 Dogecoin and made 20% profit with that 180 tip. I know. But you see, Sam, I care more about my audience than me making money. Right? If I cared more about me making money, I would make videos and go live 20 minutes a day. But I go live 10 hours, up to 10 hours a day, because I care about more about my members and my members basically. I don't know why I said that twice, but yes, that's it. But also I care about the verification tick, so you know I'm the real me. I get many channels impersonating me now, and I don't like it. It's confusing people. They're trying to manipulate people. They're trying to sell them dodgy crypto that doesn't exist, whatever. The purpose is I am now the only Martyn Lucas with a verification tick. I'm the only Martyn investor with a verification tick. There can be no other. So at least you know it's me. So there you go. I could have made money, but I decided to protect you instead. All right then, so I am down 0.04. Ali Isles is up 0.58. Ali Tizro is up 10%, up 0.02. Says MSK, congratulations, up 0.05, up 0.23, not counting my Doge. Eric B, lovely. But the winner today, without a question, is Ali Isles, who is up 10%. Congratulations, Ali. Very well done indeed. Very, very good indeed. Ali, excellent. I can't play the sound effects because the computer is just going too slow right now. I might have to seriously invest, but I haven't got the cash. I would have to sell some stock to do it, which is fine. I'm up, but the last thing I want to do is reduce the size of my portfolio. Piano man, piano man, piano man. Not tonight, mate. I've got to make some videos, so I've got to go. The winner is Ali Tizro today. So let's have a quick update. Here's the competition. You've got it in the chat. Let me update it and see how many people have done it. We've now got 6 votes on the competition. Let's go over to the competition page. We had 138 entries. Let me have a little look now. Let's see if we've grown. Let's have a little look. 138 entries. Right, let's refresh the screen. Here we go. 138 is now 138. How many more people have taken part? 130. Oh, none since I last checked. Okay. I bet you if I put in the what do you call it, the poll for Twitter, you'd have all clicked on it, right? There you go. See, that's how we'll do it from now on. It'll be done in the competition, I tell you what. Ed Nevius, congratulations. Right. That's it from me. So I'm out of here. I've got to make these videos, so I will see you back in a short while. I'm going to roll the credits. Is there any point rolling credits? I don't think there is there? We didn't get any super chats today. I noticed that. Very quiet day today, so we might not get any credits today. But let's bring on the end screen and see if we can. Let's have a look. How many? 21 likes, 22 watching. That'll do for me. 7,093. We gained another subscriber. There we go. 7,094. Very, very good indeed. How many came through the show? 300 and... well, that was this morning's show. 147. It's pretty quiet today. But anyway, there we go. I'll get off now and make these videos. I'll see you back in a short while. Say goodbye to everybody on TikTok. Thank you ever so much. There we go. And unfortunately, I can't get up the music and the end screen. So there's nothing on there anyway. So I'll just say goodbye to you all. Got to work out what's causing this slow up of my computer. Be careful with salt, Martin. Bad for the blood pressure. That's a shame. I like salted crisps. I like ready salted crisps. That's not good. I like ready salted crisps. Now you're making me think I want some ready salted crisps. All right, guys. See you in a bit. Look out for the video coming out shortly. Until we meet again tomorrow morning, that's it from me. Take care of yourselves and each other. Bye-bye for now.